So what's up, guys? Today we're going to do a turmeric fried rice because I had multiple requests to do this fried rice. So let's get started. So okay, we have here our onions. We're going to fry those off first. As usual, let them fry at least for 4 minutes. Next, we're going to fry our spring onions. And then we're going to fry greens. If you don't know what that is, you can ask by your local supermarket or by your farmers, but it's this one. See if I can it come out right. It's actually spring green. So we're going to fry that, half of it. And leave this to fry for about 2 minutes. Now we're going to fry our peas, carrots and corn. And you let these fry again for about 2 to 3 minutes. Now everything are fried, we're going to be adding the rice. This rice has been washed and cooked, so it's just plain white rice. I'm going to mix it in. And as we mix, we're going to be adding some seasoning there. Any seasoning of your choice. But I have the usual aromat, garlic salt, black pepper, Chinese 5 spices, Italian seasoning, paprika, and tarragon. So we mix these ones for now. And as usual, the Chinese spices always give it this nice, lovely scent. You could see the color already started to change with just the seasonings. Now we're going to add some seasonal. Just a little bit. And some liquid Maggi cube. And we also add in some soy sauce. Just a little bit because we don't want it brown. It's just for flavor and for texture. And also this one. And we mix again. You want to break up all the white pieces. Now we're going to be adding our turmeric. So I've got this turmeric, but you could use any turmeric, and this is 100% natural. Just about 1 teaspoon. And put the cocoa up high. And there you have it, your turmeric fried rice. You could go ahead and taste it and see if it's seasoned enough. If not, just add more seasoning. Okay guys, so I'm going back in with my ghee, and this is also a vegan version. So this is going to help with the flavor as well as to make it a little moist. So you just mix it in, and there you have it. It's all done. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, because my Instagram looking very weak. So go follow me at Caramel Fit. I'll leave it on the screen. Okay, bye. See you guys next time.